Everyone is making cartoon-style documentary videos using AI these days. However, only a few channels are actually going viral and getting monetized. The rest are just wasting their time uploading content because most people miss the 3 hidden strategies that turn a normal video into a viral hit and get a channel monetized instantly. In this video, we will break down exactly what those 3 strategies are. But before that, take a look at this quick demo. In the next 10 minutes, you will learn how to make exactly this type of video on your phone without spending a single penny. In 1992, one man shook the entire Indian share market as if it were his own personal game. The scariest part? In the beginning, nobody even realized it. That man's name was Harshad Mehta. A journey that started as an ordinary salesman led him to become the big bull of the stock market within a few years. Every day, the stocks he bought were touching the sky. People thought this man was a genius. But the real story starts here. One day, a journalist named Sucheta Dalal noticed something strange in bank transactions. There was money on paper, but in reality, that money didn't exist. As the investigation moved forward, a shocking truth emerged. Harshad Mehta was using loopholes in the banking system to circulate thousands of crores of rupees into the stock market. By the time this scam was exposed, it had reached nearly 4,000 crore rupees. This single scam changed the rules of India's entire financial system forever. But the real question remains, was this truly the scam of just one man? Now, without wasting time, let's see how such an engaging script is created. If your script's hook is weak, the story is predictable, and there are no curiosity traps in between, the viewer will skip within 10 seconds. This is the biggest mistake almost everyone is making. To fix this, I have prepared a powerful command for you that will bring your scriptwriting time down from hours to seconds. Just paste this command into ChatGPT, and in seconds, you'll get high-retention documentary ideas. Pick the strongest idea and paste it back in. Pro tip: if your AI voice sounds robotic, viewers skip in the first 3 seconds. Don't forget to mention the duration. I'm setting it to 1 minute here, so the flow stays under control. Step 2. Realistic voiceover. Next, search for Google AI Studio and open text-to-speech. Always select the first model because it gives the most realistic output. Choose a single speaker, select your preferred character, and paste the script. You'll hear that this isn't just a normal AI voice, it's next-level realism. Step 3. Visuals and consistency. You don't need to spend hours thinking of prompts or struggling to keep characters consistent. I have a special command that does the work for you. Paste it into ChatGPT followed by your voice script. It will provide professional, ready-made image and video prompts. Note, it gives 4 scenes at a time, so just type yes for the next set. Copy the scene prompt and open Gemini. Click on Create Image to maintain consistency in visuals. Once your images are ready, search for Luma Dream Machine or Google Flow to convert them into video. Follow the settings exactly, or the output will be average. Step 4. Pro-level editing. Most people lose the game here because they keep their editing basic. For documentary-level quality, simple cuts aren't enough. You need map animations, highlighted text, and motion elements. Animations, use Audi.ai or similar tools for ready-to-use animations. Maps. Use a map animation app on your phone, add your locations, and export. Assembly, use an editor like VN Video Editor. Sync the clips perfectly with the voiceover and add text overlays so the viewer's focus never breaks. Step 5. Background music and psychological hooks. Background music creates curiosity. Use the YouTube audio library, via Chrome desktop mode, set the genre to cinematic and the mood to dramatic for copyright-free documentary music. The final warning, the thumbnail. A small mistake can make your video flop. Even with solid editing, if people don't click, it's all for nothing. Use curiosity and psychology-based colors to grab attention while scrolling. Never settle for a normal thumbnail. Creating these deep-dive documentaries takes hours of research. If you found this value-packed, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss a breakdown. Thanks for watching.